Problem 22 is very similar to some of the ones at the beginning of the study guide. It's asking you to graph the solutions or graph all the possible numbers that x can be given this inequality. The only difference is that the x is not alone. So we have to change that. So we have to get rid of this -4 or this -4. In order to do that, we treat it just as if that was an equal sign by adding 4 or having a +4 to each side. When we do that, this still cancels out because a -4 plus a +4 equals 0 because they are opposites. And that leaves you with a x on the left side. You bring down the inequality symbol and then a +2 on the right side because we are adding numbers with different signs. You'll end up subtracting them and then keeping the sign of the larger one. So now we have the inequality in a form that we can actually graph, or that we can graph the solutions of. So step 1 in graphing is going to be to mark the number, put the circle on the number. In this case, our number is 2. Okay? Step 2 is going to be to try and identify if the circle is open or closed. Because this is a less than sign, I know it will be open because a less than or a greater than leaves an open circle. A less than or equal to or greater than equal means you have a closed circle. So I'm going to leave my circle open. And step 3, you have to figure out which way the arrow goes. So in this case, we want to we want to mark all the numbers that could be possible for x. So we want to mark all the numbers less than 2. We want to mark all the numbers smaller than 2. So the numbers that are smaller than 2 are going to be to the left, 1, 0, -1, so on and so forth. So that is where I'm going to mark. I'm going to start at my circle and go all the way out. And that is how I would graph this inequality.